So welcome students. So in this question you're given the curves y is equal to root x, 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0, x-axis and the first quadrant. So you're asked to find the area bounded by these conditions. So we know that y is equal to root x is half parabola. Half of y square is equal to x represents a complete horizontal parabola. So y is equal to plus root x represents the upper half of the curve. And 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a standard straight line with x-intercept as 3 and y-intercept as minus 3 by 2. And they'll intersect at some point after this. And x-axis is this. And in the first quadrant. So effectively you're asked to find this area. That's the area bounded by these four conditions, right? So how do I find this area? So how can I do this? One of the ways, first I need to find this point. And next what I do is I'll find the area bounded by this curve y is equal to root x from here to here. I'll find this total area and I'll subtract this triangular area. So if I find the total area minus triangular area, I'll get the required area. So now what is this total area? To find that, first we need to find the point of intersection. So let us do that. So y is equal to root x. So x is equal to y square, right? So I'll just put x is equal to y square. So 2y minus y square plus 3 is equal to 0. So y square minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3 or minus 1. Y is equal to 3 or minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 is not possible because it is the positive square root. So if y is equal to 3, that means x is equal to 9. X is equal to y square, right? So this point corresponds to 9, 3. So now once we have this, you have all the ingredients required to solve this problem. So required area is nothing but integration from 0 to 9 root x dx. Root x dx, this gives the complete area minus this triangular area. What is this triangular area? So from 3 to 9, the base is 6 and the height is 3. So what is the area of the triangle? Half times 6 times 3. So root x integration is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to 9 minus 9. That is equal to 2 by 3 times x power 3 by 2 is 9 power 3 by 2. That is 3 square whole power 3 by 2. It is 27 minus 9. So this 3 and 9 gets cancelled. So 18, 2 into 9, 18 minus 9 is 18. So 2 into 9 is 18 minus 9. So the answer to this question is 9 square units as the area is 9. Thank you.